it's Tiffany. Thanks so much for coming out to the Idaho Scrapbook Show this past weekend. We had a great time. We met so many awesome crafters, and it was just really fun. So kudos to the gals who put it together. You guys did an awesome job. One of the things that we included in your VIP bag was something that looks like this. And we had a few people stop by the booth and say, what is that thing, right? Well, this thing was designed as a purse hook. So if you're going out to eat, you have that, or going to work or wherever, you keep it in your purse, and then the outside piece comes around and it comes off and it forms a hook like this, right? And it hangs off the edge of your table. So you put this part on the table and you hang your purse on this part, and then your purse isn't sitting on the floor, right? But that's not what I use it for. I use them to hang my paper trimmers off my workstation. So I have two large paper trimmers that I don't use all the time, but I want to have them handy. So I just hung them off my workspace. So this one didn't have a handle or anything on it. Sorry, I'm probably covering my face. I had my super handy husband drill 2 holes in it, and then he put this nice little wire on it for me. So if I was doing it myself, I probably would have put a little pink ribbon on there instead of a wire, but happy that it was all ready to use. And now I can just take my hanger and hang that over the edge like that, right? This one already has a handle on it, so it was easy to hang, right? I just put it by the handle, and then I can hang it over. So I don't always need a big paper trimmer, but I sometimes do, and this makes it easy to grab it and use it and put it right back on the outside of my desk. So if you got a Totally-Tiffany purse hanger, you can use it in your craft room to hang things off your workspace, or you can just put it in your purse and use it to hang your purse at work or when you're out to eat or somewhere like that. Thanks again for coming to the show this weekend. It was tons of fun. If you're watching this and you didn't come to this show, I hope you'll put it in your schedule to show up next February at the Idaho Scrapbook Show. Thanks so much. Have a great day.